How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Dell monitor to MacBook using HDMI. Now, if you're simply using or if you own a MacBook 2021 and below, basically they have built-in HDMI cords, so you just have to plug the HDMI cord onto your MacBook directly onto the back of your Dell monitor. Now, 2021 or 2022 and above, basically we don't have an HDMI port, so therefore we need an external hardware, and that's going to be this specific Type-C to HDMI. Now, you want to plug the Type-C onto your MacBook, and then you want to plug the HDMI on the end of the adapter, and then just plug the other end onto your Dell monitor. So that's how easy it is. You could get this from something like eBay, Alibaba, and something similar to those online shops. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.